Chaitanya Prabhu.
Okay, okay.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaurabhakta Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Haribol, this is working.
सत्संग गुरुपाद पदम नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत शिल भगवान गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला
Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, lotus feet I offer infinite Dandavat pranams. Then Tila Pravishtam Vishnuvat Sotara Satshi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and Puja Charan Sripad Padmanabh Maharaj, Puja Charan Sripad Paramahansa Maharaj and Giri Maharaj and all the present Vaishnavis, mothers and those who are listening Harikatha, to everyone I offer my Dandavat pranams. Just now you heard about the disappearance day of Lagudev and also the Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj disappearance day and the divine life history and teachings. We have been hearing about that. And with a few words adding to that subject, I would like to make an offering and purify my tongue. In reality, I was not able to associate with the Gurudev physically very much because after coming in temple after 1 year, after taking initiation, I went to Mathura with Narayana Goswami Maharaj and we stayed in Mathura. And that time, during Nadip Parikrama for 5 days, we used to go for 5 days only. Then Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he used to send us to Braj. So some brahmacharis used to say to us, they used to joke. They used to joke as well on this. That Braj is Prabhu Datta Desh. So you are staying in Braj, but when I first came in temple, that time I took darshan of Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and mercifully he gave me Harinam. After that, Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj and Vaman Goswami Maharaj, when they were on the preaching tour and nearby around the Gaur Purnima, 1 month before Gaur Purnima, there was Param Guru Maharaj Tithi. At that time, he came there. And that time, he gave me initiation.
किंतु वास्तव रूप में
But in reality,
दोनों गुरु के हम मानते हैं।
both the
दीक्षा
gurus
गुरु और
are equal
शिक्षा
for
गुरु
me.
नाम
Diksha
को
Guru
ही
and Shiksha Guru, I have never ever in my life ever differentiated even 1%.
शिक्षा गुरु के जन्य तुम्ही ताहार स्वरूप
Shiksha Guru is the form of Diksha Guru also. They both are one.
चैतन्य
Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is explaining
दीक्षा गुरु और शिक्षा गुरु में
that there is no difference between Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru.
जो भेद करते हैं
Those who are
वो
differentiating,
अतत्व हो जाते हैं।
they are not properly established in tattvas
श्रील गुरुदेव
and they deviate from their path as well. So,
अधिक रूप में जो है हम श्रील गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के
whatever I heard about Srila Gurudev was more from Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, because he used to tell us that you don't know anything about him. I know. He used to say, for 60 years I have stayed with him.
उनकी जीवन चरित्र कथा मैं तुम लोग को बताता हूँ।
I will tell you about the
जब
life.
गुरुदेव श्रील बामन गोस्वामी महाराज
When
के
Srila Gurudev Bhaman Goswami Maharaj appearance or disappearance day were coming,
श्रील गुरुदेव श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज
Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to explain about his life history. Now we heard that Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Purab West Bengal, that's Bangladesh,
खुलना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में
in Fulna district,
एक संभ्रांत परिवार में प्रकट हुए
he appeared in a nice family there.
और अपने माताजी के
And
साथ
with his mother,
नवद्वीप मायापुर में
he came
परिक्रमा के
to
समय
do
आए थे।
Navadvip Parikrama with his mother. And Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, after taking his darshan, he instantly surrendered his life to him. And after parikrama, when everyone was returning back to their home, that time the mother said, "Okay son, let's go home." That time Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, his name was Santosh Brahmachari.
प्रभुपाद उसके हरिनाम दिया, उनके नाम
Prabhupada gave him Harinam.
दिया।
Sajjad Sevak
ब्रह्मचारी।
Brahmachari.
तो प्रभुपाद उनके माँ जब कहने लगे
When the mother said,
कि घर चलो, उन्हें कहा
"Let's
मैं
go home,"
असली घर में
he
मैं
said,
आ गया।
"Home? It's now that I have arrived my home. No need to go anywhere else. I have arrived my true home. And now I have also met my eternal parents. Guru is eternal mother, eternal father. There is no other best relationship in this world apart from Sri Guru. The Guru is my mother, Guru is my father, Guru is my everything. Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Hanpate. There is no any better relationship than Sri Guru in this material. Gurudev Sri Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he is my Guru, he is my mother, he is my father, he is my friend, he is my... This is my real residence, my real abode, real home. I don't want to go away from here. So, mother gave her son in the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada. That time, Gurudev told, till that time, he stayed with Prabhupada, and especially in Mayapur. That time, the temple in charge of Narhari Prabhu, he is called the mother of the temple. So, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj in Devanand Gaudiya Math, he made a very nice, beautiful gate entrance. That place is called Narhari entrance, Narhari Thoran. And he used to serve with Narhari Prabhu because Narhari Prabhu was called the mother of the temple, mother of Gaudiya Math. And with Narhari Prabhu, he served so much also under his guidance. But especially at that time, Srila Param Guru Maharaj, his name Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, his brahmachari name was Vinod Bihari Brahmachari.
विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी के साथ उनके साथ भी
He also had very nice relationship, love and affection with Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, and with these two he had so much love and affection. Narahari Prabhu and Vinod Bihari Brahmachari used to serve in temple, and he was very sharp memory and very strong brain. Prabhupada used to gather all brahmacharis and he said,
एक श्लोक याद करें
whoever will remember one slok,
उनको एक
I will give them one chocolate.
और एक ब्रह्मचारी
And each brahmachari at maximum they were remembering one slokas. But Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he had so sharp memory.
एक एक दिन
In one day he was remembering 8, 10 slokas. How many? 8 to 10 slokas every day. And every day he was receiving 10 to 12 chocolates. Every day Gurudev used to tell. Such was the glories of his memory. And in few days, Gita, Bhagavad, all slokas he remembered.
एक बार मैंने गुरुदेव के
One day I asked Gurudev,
ये गुरुदेव
Gurudev,
आपके कितने श्लोक याद
how
हैं?
many slokas do you know?
व्यासदेव के रचित जो ग्रंथ
The Vyasadeva scriptures, out of that,
कितने श्लोक याद हैं?
out of all of those,
उन्होंने बोले मैं
how many
सात
scriptures
दिन,
do you know?
सात
If 7 days, 7
तो मैं
nights.
सारे श्लोक के बोलते हूँ तब समाप्त नहीं
If I continuously speak slokas, even then it will not be finished.
इतने श्लोक इनको याद हैं। इसलिए
So,
गौड़ियम सभी लोग उनके उपाधि दी
Everyone gave him,
गौड़ियम डिक्शनरी कहा जाता है क्या
used to
कहते
call
थे?
him Gaudiya Dictionary.
गौड़ियम डिक्शनरी किसी
Gaudiya
को कुछ
Dictionary.
कुछ भी लेके श्लोक याद नहीं है बस श्लोक
If someone is stuck on a sloka, not remembering the sloka, they used to say, go
ब्रह्मचारी के
to Sajjan Sevak Brahmachari.
इतने तीव्र बुद्धि उन्होंने भी इनकी इतने
And he had so much sharp memory.
बुद्धि है स्मरण शक्ति है
He
उन्होंने
had so
भी
much
बता
sharp
दिया,
memory and he used to
देखो,
call.
इस ग्रंथ इस पेज में वो श्लोक है श्लोक नंबर तो बोल ही देते थे
And he used to speak the slok number and also additionally he used to tell the page numbers also. I mean the edition numbers, because when a book is printed they have different edition numbers
इस ग्रंथ की इस पेज में
and they had different
इतना बुद्धि
years of the printing of the book. He used to even remember that this slok is from this book which was printed in this year. And this is like unique and unparalleled memory power. It's not easy.
और देखो उनकी प्रवचन आप सुनिए
And if you hear,
गुरुदेव बाबा गोस्वामी महाराज के प्रवचन सुनिए केवल श्लोक ही जारी मिलेगा आपको
and you will only find shlokas.
श्लोक के तरफ प्रमाण दे देंगे जैसे चैतन्य
He used to give evidence, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said to Raya Ramanan.
प्रभु को ये पढ़े श्लोक शास्त्र
प्रभु का
प्रमाण दिवे शास्त्र में वचन
So wherever you speak, you have to quote scriptures. You cannot make up your own shlokas. No, this will not work. You have to refer to the scriptures, which slok, where, from where you have to quote it properly. Mahaprabhu told, Jaha praman dive shastrer vachan. In the same way, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
इतने प्रमाण देते उनके श्लोक में उनके प्रवचन सुनिए
you can hear
श्लोक की जारी आ जाएगा
hear his lectures. He was quoting 2 minutes he speaks something, then 5 shlokas he will quote. 5 shlokas in 2 minutes. He was giving evidence to each and everything. And he used to serve so much when he was little. When he came in temple, when he came in mud, he used to serve all the Vaishnavas. If you see his life history, he's just very similar to Narad Rishi's life history, because as like Narad Rishi, in his life history, he was telling his life history to Vyasadeva. He told that how I used to serve Santa Mahatmas. In the same way, Gurudev used to say, when I came in temple, when he was around 10 years old, he used to come in the temple. He came in temple, and that time he used to serve all the Vaishnavas and taking remnants of all the Vaishnavas also. Gurudev used to say, I used to take, like also Narad Rishi also used to take the remnants of the saints. Similarly, Srila Gurudev Vaman Maharaj also used to serve Vaishnavas and take the remnants of their prasad. So he used to respect all the Vaishnavas, give love and affection to all.
कृपा करके उनके हरि नाम
Prabhupada mercifully gave him Harinam mantra because at that time
दीक्षा मंत्र दिया
it wasn't easy to receive Diksha initiation because one brahmachari, it was a rule, one brahmachari who stays in temple
4 साल के बाद
after residence in temple of like at least 3 to 4 years, then giving in proper initiation. Before giving Harinam,
नाम जप आदि गुरुदेव कहते मैं हर रोज
and Gurudev used to say,
1 लाख हरि नाम करता
every day he used to chant 1 lakh holy names,
1 लाख अभी
100,000. Who is chanting 100,000 holy names? Tell me, pick up your hands. Maybe in Kartik, some people may be doing 1 lakh Harinam, but every day
1 लाख हरि नाम करते थे
he used to chant 1 lakh Harinam
और वैष्णव
and used to serve Vaishnavas also.
इतने उनकी है। और
And
गुरुदेव की ऐसे इसके बाद जो है एक दिन
Then
प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Bhaktivedanta Saraswati
उनके
Prabhupada,
ऐसे मेधा बुद्धि देख करके
after seeing his intelligence and memory power, he got him admission in the Bhakti Vinod Institute for education, and he studied there as well. And one day, I will tell you one very nice incident. I will tell you, this is the unique and unparalleled quality of Guru, because when we hear this, we develop faith towards the lotus feet of Sri Guru. Once upon a time, it was rainy weather, and that time,
Srila
Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he was cutting the vegetables. He was wearing gamcha. At that time, Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Prabhupada came and said, "You are not going to school today?" Then Narhari Prabhu said, "But today it's raining, so the school may be closed. So I won't go today." But Prabhupada just said few words. He said, "You should not skip your school." That time, Srila Gurudev, he washed all his clothes that time. One time, Brahmachari also only had one dhoti, one kurta, one t-shirt. This is all that was given to a Brahmachari, not more than this. That time, Gurudev wearing gamcha, he is cutting the vegetables, and he washed all his clothes, meaning one pair that he had. And Prabhupada said, "You should never skip your school." Just hearing these 2-3 words, he was like, Gurudev said, "I have to go to school." And he was thinking, how do I follow the instruction of my Guru? My clothes are all wet. How do I go to school? So what did he do? He went inside in his room and he gave pranam to Nrsimhadev. Gurudev used to say also, he said, "I will offer pranam to Nrsimhadev," and then hey, oh Lord Nrsimha, my Guru has instructed me to go to school, but my clothes are wet. How do I follow the instruction of my Guru? He just said this, and when he came out of his room, he saw his clothes were all dry, and like someone has ironed them also. And then he wore those clothes and he went to the school. Then an afternoon, Prabhupada asked Narhari Prabhu, "Where is that Sajjan Sevak Brahmachari? What is he doing?" "He went to school," he said. "You told that he washed all his clothes." Then Narhari Prabhu told, when he will come from school, you can ask him. So in 4 p.m. the school was over and he came back from school and gave pranam to Prabhupada. That time it was a rule. Wherever you go out of temple, you have to offer pranam at the door of Prabhupada And when you come back to the temple, you also have to give pranam at the
धीरे सब लुप्त हो गए
door of the Gurudev. So in our Mathura temple also this was rule, but now it is gone.
मथुरा मठ में थे ना
Because when I was in Mathura temple, Gurudev's rule,
नरक में नहीं जाएंगे
we will not go to heaven and neither to hell. We will stay in middle. Meaning,
मथुरा मठ में जो है ऊपर धर्मशाला के ऊपर
so
जाने के लिए
on upstairs was Dharamshala and downstairs Dharamshala, we cannot go
बीच में
to those floors. So in the middle floor we used to stay.
मथुरा मठ में
So wherever we used to go, there was so much rules and regulation in the Mathura temple, and he used to chastise if someone has to go anywhere
गुरुदेव नारायण महाराज के आदेश बिना कोई एक
without the
ब्रह्मचारी
permission of Narayan Maharaj. Brahmachari cannot go anywhere without his permission. That time it was so strict.
इतने कंट्रोल था
Mathura temple was so much strictness.
तारे के भांति
Gurudev,
सारे ब्रह्मचारी
he was
पालन पोषण करते
nourishing all the brahmacharis like so detailed. If I tell history, no one even want to listen these things today.
मठ में
That time in Mathura temple, I saw it wasn't easy that time.
हर ब्रह्मचारी के श्लोक याद करना पड़ता था
Every brahmachari had to remember a shloka.
इधर उधर गप्पो इधर कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ता
They're not going here and there.
चलो
They were not allowed to go here and there either.
चलो गुरुदेव जब
So in the same way, Srila Gurudev,
आए
when he came,
प्रणाम किया
offered pranam to Prabhupada,
प्रभुपाद ने पूछा
Prabhupada asked
कि तुम्हारे तुम तो कपड़े धो दिया था कैसे किए?
that
उस समय गुरुदेव ने कहा मैं निश्चिंग देव के प्रणाम करे बोले प्रभुपाद
he told simply that I offer pranam to Narasimha Dev,
पालन करो
and I just asked him honestly that how do I follow my instruction of my Guru. I just gave him pranams and I came out
अपने कमरे में आया देखा तो मेरा
and I saw all my clothes were dry
उस समय
and it was like it someone ironed them also. That time Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Saraswati Prabhupada
आलिंगन के रोने लगे
embraced him and cried
ये
and
निश्चिंग
said
देव कैसे
how
भक्त वात्सल्य
Narasimha Dev is Bhakta Vatsalya, having parental mood of love and affection towards his devotees.
निश्चिंग देव के और प्रभुपाद उनकी
And
कृपा करके भी
Prabhupada
निश्चिंग
also mercifully gave him Narasimha mantra. Narasimha mantra given by Prabhupada.
महाराज को दे दिया था
Prabhupada gave to Srila Bhamana Goswami Maharaj. This Narasimha mantra that flowed through the Guru Parampara. This very, very powerful mantra.
भक्ति के हमें हृदय में कौन रक्षा करेगा
Who will protect bhakti in our heart? Narasimha Dev Bhagwan.
जितने भी कोई भी
All obstacles in the path of bhakti, Narasimha Dev will destroy all of them. So all the temples, the Prabhupada temples, Guru Maharaj, all the temples that they created, in the first entrance, on the first, at the top, what you will see, Narasimha Dev.
भक्ति प्रज्ञान के सदस्य देवानंद
Bhakti Prakan Keshav Samaraj in Devananda Gaudiya Math, you can see when you enter,
नाम तो रखा निसिंह तोरण रखा
it's called Narasimha Toran. But
निसिंह
Narasimha Dev is there also.
श्रील गुरुदेव नाथ गोस्वामी महाराज
Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj in Mathura temple also,
आप लोग देखे होंगे छत
you
के
can see on the top of the roof,
ऊपर देव
there was a art of Narasimha Dev because he protects us from everything.
जब तक निसिंह देव
If we don't invite Narasimha Dev, then your obstacles will always disturb you.
सारे बाधा
Narasimha Dev will destroy all the obstacles.
जितने भी बाधाएं
All obstacles he will destroy.
कि वही स्वयं कृष्ण ही निसिंह रूप में क्या करते
That same Krishna in the form of Narasimha, he is
नाश
destroying all the anarthas, obstacles, impediments in the path of bhakti.
गुरुदेव
So Gurudev
कहते थे
used to say.
और इसके बाद
And
जैसे आप लोग ने श्रवण किया
Also you heard
प्रभुपाद
Prabhupada
संसार से चले जाने के बाद गौड़िया मठ में कुछ उथल पथल
So when Prabhupada disappeared, so much chaos came in Gaudiya Math. That time,
भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी
Sri Bhakti Prakan Keshav Swami Maharaj Vinod Bihari Brahmachari
दीक्षा मंत्र
gave him initiation
जैसे
to Vaman Maharaj, to Satyajaya Brahmachari. Like you heard also,
लगा दिया
like they filed a false case. They filed a false case on Vinod Bihari Brahmachari and
के ऊपर
his associates who were his god brothers. Some people filed a false case on all of them because this is Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, what do people want?
लोगों के दूसरे की
They only want to
क्षति करना चाहते हैं
cause disturbance to others and defame others. They can never see someone grow.
इसके उत्कर्ष समझ
Utkarsh, understand?
उत्कर्षता देख करके उनके हृदय
Like
में
when
क्या
they
होता है?
see these things, they get jealous.
आजकल तो
These
वो
days,
जलन कि करने के लिए वो क्या करते हैं, फेसबुक में लिखना पड़ता
They
है।
are taking out their jealousy on Facebook. They are just rattling nonsense
फेसबुक पे
there.
लिखते हैं ना, उल्टी सीधा लिखो बस।
Stupid nonsense rascal things they are writing there.
उस समय इसलिए देखो परम
So
गुरु महाराज
that time Param Guru Maharaj Vinod Bihari Brahmachari
फॉल्स केस लगा दिया।
also they were filed a false case by others.
उनके लोग
So Param Guru Maharaj and their
40
people for 40 days they had to stay in prison. How many days? 40 days. 40. At that time there was a rule those who are not initiated we cannot eat anything cooked by them. So Srila Gurudev Anu Goswami Maharaj, that time he was a brahmachari and
उन्होंने स्वयं रसोई बनाते थे।
he used to cook himself.
गुरुदेव स्वयं करते थे।
Gurudev said,
रसोई बना करके ठाकुर जी के भोग लगा करके
Gurudev used to say he used to cook everything, offer to Thakurji, and he used to take everything to that prison.
कम से कम 40
At least 40.
लोगों के रखा था।
There were 40 people there.
दो बार भोजन कराते।
And every day, twice a day, thrice a day, he was giving them prasad. So Vinod Bihari Brahmachari staying in prison, he
दीक्षा मंत्र जी
gave him initiation. Gave him initiation that time.
दीक्षा मंत्र दी, फिर उनको
And then also gave him the Brahmanical thread. The Jajavat Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada's
शिष्य जो है
disciple Jajavat Maharaj, the sannyas disciple Jajavat Maharaj, gave the sacred thread to Vaman Maharaj.
उन्होंने उनको ये संस्कार करे,
Upaniyan Sanskar, the Brahmanical thread, sacred thread was given by him. So like this,
सेवा आदि करते थे।
Gurudev was serving with so much dedication.
कागज पत्र लेकर के फिर
And then after doing this seva, which is already so much, then he used to go to offices, to courts, to deal with all the legal proceedings. And he used to chant 1 lakh holy names also with this. After this, when Param Guru Maharaj, he made temple, Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti,
स्थापना आदि की।
established that organization, and then
केवल 4 व्यक्ति के लेकर के
he established that Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti with 4 people.
उनके
One
चाचा
is
जो थे अर्थात
his uncle,
नरसिंह भक्ति कुशल नरसिंह महाराज,
Bhakti Kushal Narsingh
और
Maharaj.
दूसरी
And second, Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj Chandra Brahmachari. Third one was
भक्ति वेदांत
Vedant Swami Maharaj. His name was Abhay Charan. Abhay Charan Dev. Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti was made. It was registered.
ये केवल 4 व्यक्ति
Only these 4 people were there.
और परम गुरु महाराज
And Param Guru Maharaj with them,
श्री गुरुदेव
Srila
सदा
Gurudev
सर्वदा रहते थे।
was always with him.
और उनके चरण में अपने को समर्पित
And he surrendered to him completely his lotus feet. Whatever he used to do,
परम गुरु महाराज
Param Guru
के
Maharaj,
साथ ही सदा सर्वदा रहते
he used to stay all the time with him most of the
जब
time.
परम गुरु महाराज
When Param Guru Maharaj made temples,
तब देखो परम गुरु महाराज
that time Param Guru Maharaj said,
उसके लेकर के आओ।
one brahmachari is coming, bring him.
कौन ब्रह्मचारी आए?
Which brahmachari
देखो
coming?
रात के समय
So it was night time.
नवद्वीप
In Navdeep railway station, that time there was no electricity. That time
केरोसिन की बत्ती जो है जलता था।
they were just using very, very light quality lanterns.
तो उस समय
That time
उन्होंने देखो बामन गोसाई महाराज एक लालटेन लेकर के आए।
Vaman Goswami Maharaj with a lantern he went to the railway
और
station,
नवद्वीप
and
स्टेशन से बिल्कुल अंधकार जैसे ही था।
Navdeep station
अब
was
उसमें
so
ट्रेन
dark,
ब्रिटिश अमल के लिए ट्रेन था ना, ब्रिटिश समय का ट्रेन कैसे था?
and the train during the British region they were running on the steam engines.
कैला इंजन होता है ना, कैला भर देते थे।
Like they used to put coal in the engine, and then it was coming the steam, and then the steam engine was going on.
धक 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 करके आए।
Very, very strong sound also coming. When the train arrived at the station, he was standing with one lantern.
अनेक लोग इधर उधर
Many people were running here there.
तो अब उस समय
That time, like Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj
के नाम था
deboarded the train. That time his name was, what was his name?
नारायण तिवारी,
Narayan Tiwari.
गौर नारायण,
Gaur Narayan.
नारायण तिवारी।
Narayan Tiwari.
तो उन्होंने उनको देख करके कहा
He saw him
"क्या आप
and said,
तिवारी जी है?"
I, Mr. Tiwari, said, how come you know me? Gurudev sent me to pick you up from here and take you to temple. So Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to say, Navadvip Dham station to Vaman Goswami Maharaj picked me up. Give a big round of applause. Vaman Goswami Maharaj picked me up from the Navadvip Dham station to temple. And then I stayed in temple. That time Vaman Goswami Maharaj was also serving Keshav Goswami Maharaj. So Gurudev used to say, whatever I needed, Vaman Goswami Maharaj gave all the things. Narayan Maharaj used to say this. And he also teach me how to serve everything. And I used to serve under the guidance of Vaman Goswami Maharaj. I used to serve Gurudev. One katha also coming. Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj said, when the first time I met my Gurudev, I gave him pranams, and in his lotus feet I spoke to him all the love that I have for my mother, father, my children, whatever I have, all love and affection I collect and I offer it in your lotus feet. Yeah. This is the mood of the Gurudev. That time, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj embraced him also. That time, he started to serve him, and we all three, Bhakti Vedanta, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, all these three used to stay together, serving together. That's why it's called, these three are called the Tridev. Tridevata, like the Vyasdev Shlok, Tridevata Shlok, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, signifying in the three categories, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. So, Vaman Goswami Maharaj is considered to Brahma, and Narayan Goswami Maharaj is considered with Vishnu, and Trivikram Goswami Maharaj is symbolizing the Lord Shiva. Why? Because Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he was so humble and quiet, he did not used to speak much. And Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, you can hear his lectures. After 2 minutes, you will run away. Why? Because his katha was very, very straightforward and heavy. Mohammadgar means, like Shankaracharya, he wrote the scripture Mohammadgar, like a hammer. His Harikatha was like a hammer. And it was very strong, and it was destroying all the anarthas also. And his lecture was like this. One day in Mathura temple, when Gurudev was manifesting his disappearance pastime around 94, first heart attack was there that time. That time Trivikram Goswami Maharaj came. And Gurudev did not used to give lecture during that period. Doctor told him to advise bed rest for 1 to 2 months. Don't speak anything. So Gurudev was not speaking lecture. So Trivikram Goswami Maharaj was speaking lecture morning and evening. And he was picking up the book Brahmar Geet, Srimad Bhagavad Brahmar Geet, and he kept Brahmar Geet there. And he started from where? Jiver Sarup Hoy Krishna Nityadas. Jiva's eternal identity is to serve Krishna. He used to start from here. And then, without even speaking one shlok of Brahmar Geet, he was expanding on that thing only. Some used to say, Maharaj, you told that these are Brahmar Geet classes. We are studying Brahmar Geet book. Trivikram Maharaj said, you want to hear Brahmar Geet? First, you give up your husband or wife or not? First tell me this. Then, he used to start like this. This is his Kapal Devati Bhagavad. Sanwad used to explain that, and he used to start the shlokas of Prahlad Maharaj.
भ्रमर की कथा नहीं सुना।
He was not speaking anything about Brahmar Gita.
उनकी कथा इतने
His katha
कथा था।
was so strong.
बोले पहले अपने वैराग्य नहीं हुआ,
You have no realization.
ज्ञान वैराग्य हो तब तो भक्ति होगी।
When you have knowledge and realization, then you can do bhakti. You're not even there yet.
इसमें बहुत उन्होंने जो है
So he used to
चैतन्य भागवत से
quote
ज्यादा
Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamrita. He used to like more verses from there. Jive Sarubhai Krishna Nitya Das.
बस उनके एक श्लोक आ जाता था।
This verse was coming every day, every day. Jive Sarubhai Krishna Nitya Das.
कृष्ण नित्यदास कृष्णे
Krishna
चतुष्शक्ति
Tathasakti Veda Ved
एक
Prakash.
ही श्लोक।
Just one verse.
और उनके श्लोक था
And
प्रहलाद महाराज के
another
श्लोक
his
था।
favorite slok was the words of Prahlad Maharaj, Kama Maithunam.
वो कहते क्या, जैसे ये
Like
संसार
in this
कैसे है,
material world, what is this
बोले
like?
खुजली के भांति
This is
खिलाता।
like itching. This material world is like, what's that verse?
जय मैथुन आदि, हाँ? क्या बोलते हैं? जय मैथुन आदि
Jai Maithun Adi. All this sense enjoyment.
कंडू रसाम बस उसी श्लोक के
This is useless. Every day he used to speak this slok.
और रोज उस
Every day. That how foolishly people are enjoying sense enjoyment. The pleasure of itching.
क्योंकि जब वास्तव रूप में
Because in reality, Prahlad Maharaj Katha, if we don't hear that,
कहते थे ये उच्च कोटि की कथा सुन करके क्या फर्क पड़ा?
what is the benefit of listening the high level Hari Katha?
बोले इस कथा को सुना पहले।
First understand this. 2 months he was expanding on these shlokas. Chaitanya Charitamrita, 2 verses of that, and Srimad Bhagavat, 1 verse. This one that I told.
बोल लेते तो हम लोग के
He just opened every day Brahmar Gita and used to speak these things.
और भ्रमर गीत खोल दिया, बोले हम भ्रमर गीत पाठ करते हैं।
And he was telling that I'm giving Brahmar Gita classes, but actually he was starting from here.
इसलिए गौड़ीय वेदांत समिति कहा जाता
So,
है, इनको कहा जाता है सिख के साथ तुलना।
He is compared to the Shiva of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti,
वास्तव में भक्त है इस तरह। अनर्थ जब तक निवृत्त नहीं
destroying the anarthas of all. Because when the anarthas are not destroyed, even I will tell you Trivikram Maharaj Katha ultimate.
करके आए त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी
When Trivikram Maharaj left his home, he was a very high class scholar,
है,
learned scholar.
ग्रेजुएशन किया था।
He was graduated also, and
यहाँ पर आके मठ में जब आए
when he came in temple,
और उनके पुत्री भी आ गई।
his
पुत्री
wife
आके
also
उनको
came.
बोले,
His
आप
wife
मत
came
जाओ,
and said, "Come with
आप
me,
नहीं
come to
जाओगे
home.
तो मैं
If
ये
you don't
बात
come to home, I will
नहीं मैं शरीर छोड़ दूँ।
die in front of
उन्होंने
you."
उनके पत्नी भी बोली,
The wife
"ये
said
आपके
this,
सामने
"In front of you, I will
केरोसिन तेल है ना, मैं डालूंगा।
put kerosene oil on myself and burn myself." Trivikram Maharaj said, "Okay, you put the oil and I'm ready with the matchstick to burn you."
समझ में आया?
Understand or not? Trivikram Maharaj said, "Okay, bring oil, put on yourself and I will put your matchstick."
उनकी जो है बोले सब
So he said, "All this is Maya. Get out from here. Get lost."
बहुत उन्होंने
Very heavily used to say these things.
उनकी कथा सुन बस
If you hear about him, then
हंसोगे नहीं
you will
तो
laugh or you will cry.
बस मठ में
In temple,
त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज
Trivikram Goswami Maharaj used to serve everyone.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Even
जूता सिलाई चंडीपाठ मतलब क्या है?
Chandipat means A to Z everything, like from tip to
उनके
toe,
सामने उसके कोई सेवक नहीं
everything.
आते।
He did not have any servant of his. Everything he used to do by himself.
मठ में चिचुड़ा मठ में
In the Chichura temple was there. He was the temple president. Temple president of the Chichura temple.
हमने देखा
I saw Trivikram Goswami Maharaj himself serving the cows,
गोदोहन आदि करते थे,
milking the cows,
अंडा आदि देते थे,
making cow dung
और
cakes,
स्वयं
and also
रसिक बनाते थे,
cooking
ठाकुर की भूख लगा।
for Thakur ji.
हाँ, एक जो हमारे उमा दीदी है ना,
Our Uma Didi, you
उनके
know,
घर वो चिचुड़ा में
in Chichuda house, Chichuda she used to
ये
live
हर
also.
रोज
So every day,
उमा दीदी जाती।
Uma Didi also used to come temple. Uma Didi used to say, just I remember Uma Didi today.
मतलब जो मैं मठ में जो आई,
In reality, I came to temple, it was because of the mercy of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. Mercy. She said this, that I came by the mercy of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj to temple. Because just I remember Uma Didi's mother, she was the
भक्ति सिद्धांत है ना, भक्ति प्रकांड केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की
disciple of Bhakti Prakan Keshav Goswami Maharaj.
और उमा दीदी उस समय कॉलेज में पढ़ती
That time
थी।
Uma Didi was in
बहुत
college.
अच्छी लड़की थी जो।
She was very fancy, modern girl that
और
time,
उनकी-
and
वो तो जमींदार परिवार की ही है।
she was
आप
from a
जाके-
rich
आप तो
landlord
देखोगे,
family
उमा दीदी के जो-
who had many
उनकी जो
property assets. Even if you go
घर
today,
है,
the house of Uma Didi, there you can
उस
see
समय ब्रिटिश अमल के जो है सब घर बना हुआ है।
it was architecture of the rich Britishers that time they used to use in India. So even brahmachari used to go there, they used to serve all the brahmacharis. In Chichura temple, no one liked to stay there in the Chichura temple.
किंतु सब कहाँ पर रहते थे?
Everyone wanted to stay where? In the house of Uma Didi.
उनकी माँ सारी विष्णु की सेवा करती थी।
His mother of Uma Didi served all the Vaishnavas.
उमा दीदी एक दिन बोली,
One day Uma
"ये
Didi
मैं
said,
नवद्वीप में परिक्रमा
in
कर रही हूँ।"
Navdeep, I came in parikrama.
परम गुरु महाराज बोले,
Param Guru Maharaj said,
हरि नाम ले लो।
you
बोले,
take
"हरि नाम ले लो।"
Harinam. She said,
तो
no.
परम गुरु महाराज
Param
ने
Guru Maharaj,
जबरदस्ती जो है, उनके
forcefully
गले में
he gave
तुलसी माला लगा दिया।
Tulsi Mala to him, to wearing
और
in
परम
her
गुरु
neck.
महाराज अपने
And
होने के बाद
when Param Guru Maharaj
उन्होंने
disappeared,
श्री गुरुदेव
she
श्री
took
महाराज से
Harinam from
दीक्षा
Diksha Mantra from Sri Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and she regret this also, that Param Guru Maharaj himself, he was giving me so much mercy. He was eager to give me Harinam that time. I didn't take out of the ignorance.
तो हमारे
So Trivikram Goswami Maharaj,
हैं, और शब्द भी कैसे उनके शब्द था थोड़ा रूड
and he was very rude also. His tone was rude, like Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj. He used to speak very sweet.
प्रेम के तरह प्रीति के
With
तरह
love and affection, he was saying everything.
कि हमारे
But Trivikram Goswami Maharaj,
ऐसे शब्द नहीं उनके थोड़ा
he
थोड़ा
was
है,
speaking
वो
very harshly.
इसलिए रूप गोस्वामी
So,
पाद
Srila Rupa Goswami Pad
कहते
says,
हैं, "जनित ही वपुषश्च दोषी न प्रकृत्या भक्त जनस्य पश्चेत्।" यदि कोई शुद्ध भक्त उनकी
if a pure
वर्ग
devotee,
यदि कोई हार्श शब्द बोले
if
कठोर वचन
if
बोले
a- someone speaks harsh, if
अश्वास करना नहीं चाहिए
if a pure devotee is speaking any harsh language, you should never doubt them.
निंदा करना
You should not criticize them.
त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज
So Trivikram Goswami Maharaj,
शब्द जो था
his
ऊपर
language
से बहुत कठोर था
was so harsh on the outside, but internally his heart was so soft, like coconut.
नारियल के ऊपरी भाग कैसे होता
The
है
outside of coconut is very
कठोर होता है
hard.
दांत से आप काट नहीं पाओगे
You cannot
किंतु
bite it.
देखो,
But
नारियल के अंदर में क्या है
inside the coconut, what is there?
कठोर है। देखो स्निग्ध सुंदर सुंदर
So
जल है, जल
soft,
पानी
sweet,
पीते हैं।
beautiful water
और
is
उसमें
there.
क्या है?
Coconut
नारियल
water,
है।
and inside there is
रोटी
some.
कैसी है?
It's very nice, beautiful.
हाँ? ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj,
ऐसे सुंदर था
life was so beautiful.
किंतु अंतर
His life history was like this. Outside, very harsh, but inside, he was very soft.
है। यदि वास्तव रूप में रूप गोस्वामी पद एक इसी श्लोक दिष्टि सो
Rupa Goswami Pad, this shloka,
न प्रकृति भक्त जन से पसे इस श्लोक की मूर्तिमान जो है प्रकाश विग्रह
the presiding deity of this shloka is the Trivikram Goswami Maharaj.
श्री गुरुदेव नारायण
Like Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj sometimes used to say,
वजह देखो तुम लोग त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज के प्रति किसी प्रकार जो है
please never ever
मत प्रकाश करो
doubt or think bad of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj because his language is harsh. Never ever do this. When we used to go to give pranams to Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he said, "You are all gopis of Narayan Maharaj. You all enter Ras Leela." Narayan Maharaj took all of you to Ras Leela, right?
तो इस कथा सुन करके हम
So,
लोग कुछ
after hearing this, we used to become sad also. When Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to say, "See, Trivikram Maharaj, when he's saying this, he is himself a gopi. You understand or not? He is himself very high class gopi." Narayan Maharaj used to say, "For this regard, he's saying, you all are gopis." In Navdeep Parikrama,
परिक्रमा जब जाते थे
when we used to
और
go,
वो समुद्र सन की कहाँ पर
the Samudra Sen place, Samudragad Parikrama, all these three Maharajas used to sit together. And Trivikram Goswami Maharaj,
रोल करते थे
he used to take side of
भीमसेन के रोल करते थे
Bhimsen.
हैं? और श्रील गुरुदेव
Narayana Goswami Maharaj used to take side of Samudra Sen.
बहुत सुंदर जो है
Very nice, beautiful discussion was going on that time, explaining tattvas one by one.
आपसे लगेगा
If you hear it, you will think in reality a battle is going on, battle of debate. Samudra Sen and Bhimsen fight going on. And they were using all the scriptures, quoting them one by one.
त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज
And Trivikram Goswami Maharaj
इतने सुंदर श्लोक की स्थापन करते थे।
used to establish very nice slokas, and then Srila Gurudev used to
राधा जी के भाव को स्थापन
establish the mood of Srimati Radhika. And at the end,
श्री
Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
दोनों के जो है मीमांसा करके
he used to
सुंदर एक स्थापना आदि करते थे।
give a proper
और
conclusion
करके
of the whole discussion.
श्रोता लोग
And
जो
all
है,
the
इतना
listeners,
आनंदित
they were so blissful after hearing that.
इच्छा प्रकाश करते बड़े
Everyone used to say,
सुंदर
let's go to
समुद्र
Samudragad, because
परिक्रमा होती थी।
on the Samudragad Parikrama,
उस समय इतने भक्त लोग इतने उत्कंठा के साथ जा रहे
devotees were going with so much curiosity to hear this katha, especially.
वास्तव जो है
In reality, it's there in Samudragad.
कथा सभा में जो है देखा हम लोग देखा श्री गुरुदेव
So we saw this.
श्री नाथ
Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, when their katha was going on, these days this katha is not going on. That time it was so strong.
कहीं आक्रमण नहीं करते थे।
They were not attacking each other.
इतनी सुंदर
Very nice and beautiful discussion it was.
गीत गोविंद के ऊपर श्लोक बोलते थे। हमारे
They used to speak shloka of Gita Govindam. Gurudev used to speak just one shloka of Gita Govindam. Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasangmana.
यदि कलास विलास कुतूहलम मधुर कोमल कंठ पदावली श्रृणु तदा जय देव सरस्वती। बस इस श्लोक के बोलते
He just used to say this slok from Gita
और उसी
Govindam.
के
And
ऊपर
that time,
Srila
Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he used to give so much nice explanation of this verse. Very nice, beautiful katha going on. Then, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, in middle he used to distract the topic, like, oh, how this is possible, Krishna is God. In Bhagavad, the main object of manifestation of Bhagavatam is to establish that Krishna is God. Itachancha kalabamsha. And Gurudev used to say, no, your God in the Lord. Your God, what is he doing? He is rolling down in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, rubbing his nose. Narayana Swami Maharaj used to say, Smarakala Khandana, Mama Shirasi Mandanam. Like this, used to say, very nice, beautiful katha coming like this. So that's why he said, Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, these were the three jewels. Brahma, just as like Brahma, Vaman Swami Maharaj is called Brahma because, as per the rules and regulations, he was giving Diksha. And like Brahmaji is responsible for creating, right? Vaman Goswami Maharaj, by giving Diksha mantra, he was making disciples. So, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj used to destroy all the anarthas of all the disciples. And Narayana Goswami Maharaj, Vishnu's duty is to maintain, nourish everyone. And by Diksha, it doesn't just work out. Just like after initiation, you have to take Shiksha from Shiksha Guru.
दीक्षा केवल दीक्षा आदि मंत्र लेने के लिए काम नहीं होता, क्या लेना पड़ता है?
You need what? You need Shiksha Guru. You have to receive all the teachings, Shiksha from the Shiksha Guru, and then you enter the Bhajan Raja. Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, both very important. For this regard, Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Brahma, Narayana Goswami Maharaj was Vishnu of the Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, just as like when Vishnu was nourishing, maintaining all the jivas, Narayana Goswami Maharaj was nourishing, maintaining all the disciples. And Trivikram Goswami Maharaj destroying all the anarthas by his katha. For this regard, the three devata, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, just as like a bay leaf. Have you seen? The bay leaf is offered to Lord Shiva with Ganga Jal. So, Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, it's like the three, this is Bel Patta. Like three In one bell leaf there are 3 leaves. Have you seen it or
हर
not?
रोज उस हमारे क्या
Every
बोलते हैं
day
मठ में
in Delhi temple,
महादेव जो है महादेव के ऊपर हर रोज बेलपत्ता चढ़ाते हैं।
on Mahadev, every day we are offering Bel Pata there in Gopeshwar Mahadev in the Delhi
तो
temple.
ये जो है ब्रह्मा
So Brahma, Vishnu
और
and
शिव
Shiv,
ये तीनों के साथ में 3 बेलपत्ता ही
3, these are like a Bel Pata, like the 3 leaves but connected together. They have so much love and affection, but slowly, these days, in this time, love and affection is not existing in these days. So it's going.
इसकी निंदा करना नहीं चाहिए।
We should never criticize anyone.
हम प्रीति आदि रखना
We should have love and affection.
सौहृद भाव रखना चाहिए।
We should have love towards all.
काल की बस है माया
But
की
this time,
माया की प्रभाव है,
Kali Yoga,
कैसे कैसे चलते जाए।
Maya is
इसलिए गुरुदेव
changing these
गुरुदेव
things.
की
So,
आदर्श
Gurudeva's
गुरुदेव की
teachings,
विचार हमें धीरे-धीरे
we have to
प्रवेश करना चाहिए।
understand that and hold these in our hearts.
श्री गुरुदेव की
Shri Gurudev ki jai.
जय ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव की
Jai Brahma Vishnu
जय
Shiv ki
श्री
jai. Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai.
श्री बामन गोसाई
महाराज
महाराज
की जय।
जय वेदांत श्री नारायण
Jai
गोसाई
Nagaranga
महाराज
Maharaj ki jai.
जय त्रिलोक मुक्ति वेदांत सर त्रिविक्रम गोसाई महाराज की तिरुभाव तिथि की तिथि पालनकारी भक्त वृंद की गौर प्रेमान दे एक शब्द में
Just one more thing. One more thing I want to tell.
श्री गुरुदेव आज दोनों की तिरुभाव तिथि है।
Today is both disappearance days today. See,
त्रिविक्रम महाराज को
Trivakram Maharaj did not make any disciple.
पूजा करेंगे।
If disciples are there, they will do Guru Puja, right? Disciples will celebrate the appearance and disappearance of their Guru, right?
शास्त्र के अनुसार
As per the scriptures,
शिष्य गुरु के आविर्भाव तिरुभाव
the
तिथि
disciples will do that, right?
बाकी कोई
No one else do
शिक्षा गुरु है,
that.
दीक्षा
Shiksha Guru है,
मना
Diksha
नहीं
Guru.
मना दूसरी बात हो जाता है।
It's different. In reality, who celebrates?
शिष्य ही मनाते हैं। इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं
The
है।
disciples celebrate
किंतु
the appearance and
देखो,
disappearance of their
हमारे
Guru. But
श्री
Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj was thinking that Trivakram Goswami Maharaj did not make any disciples who will celebrate his appearance and disappearance day. For this regard, intentionally, the manifest pastime like this. First, Trivakram Goswami Maharaj disappeared.
और उसके बाद जो है
And then,
श्री
Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj disappeared on the exact same day.
इसलिए क्या करते हैं?
So today we are celebrating both together.
तिरुभाव तिथि मना रहे हैं। और आविर्भाव
And
तिरुभाव
appearance
तिथि
day also,
श्री बामन गोसाई
Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj appearance was on
है, पौष महीने में,
that
दिसंबर महीने
around the December month.
और ठीक उसी प्रकार से श्री नारायण
Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj
और उनकी तिरुभाव तिथि कब हुई?
and his disappearance time
श्री बामन गोसाई महाराज की
on the appearance day of Vaman Goswami Maharaj.
है, तो तीनों की देखो
So see interconnection of the appearance and disappearance day of all these 3 acharyas. So unique and unparalleled this is.
So we will sit again at 11 o'clock.